the middle of the World Championships in Tokyo. And also, technically, we are in the middle of the latest Reggae Boys World Cup qualifying campaign. And the question has come up, which sport is more popular in Jamaica? The sport of football or the sport of athletics? Certainly, hundreds and thousands of Jamaicans tuned into TVJ to watch Oblique Seville and Kishane Thompson finishing 1-2 in the 100 meters in Tokyo. But people watching a 10-second race means they love track and field more than they love football? I don't think so. What about participation? Certainly, more people play and watch football at all levels in Jamaica than those who watch and participate in athletics. Take any random weekend, for example. Do more Jamaicans watch a track meet or even a race than those who watch a football game, whether live or on television? So which game is more popular in Jamaica? Is it football or is it athletics? For me, it's not even close. It's not even.